Amanda and I'm at Seguin Gardens and Gifts in Cicero, and today we're going to plant up, have you ever seen one of these? It's like a really cool hanging basket, or if you're going to reuse any of your refills from last year, this is how to plant it up and make it look really good. You want to make sure, first of all, that if it's the kind with the plastic liner, that it has a hole in the bottom so it drains really well. It seems really tempting to not have a hole. You're like, hey, I'm going to have to water less, but you're really going to create a nightmare situation of really smelly, stagnant water probably falling on your arm or head. So don't do that. So make sure that there's a hole in the bottom. Add a little bit of soil. A little bit of soil. Yeah, that's just about right. And then you want trailing plants in your hanging basket. So today we're going to use a Proven Winners Super Tunia Royal Velvet. And add that guy. Make sure that the roots are loose on the bottom, and then just kind of lay them right down. And then the design part of this is using a second one and doing this straight across from that guy. Lay it down, and then we're going to use Proven Winners Super Bell's Evening Star. If this isn't the cutest plant you have seen, I don't know. It's really cute. And this is a Calibrachoa. I'm going to put that right in on the opposite side. Its twin on the opposite side of that. And then in the middle, which when you hang this up high, you're not really going to see the middle, right? It already looks like a perfectly good hanging basket, and there's a real temptation there to not fill in the middle, but you should, and here's why. If you fill it in with this plant, this Golden Creeping Jenny, tease the bottom and throw this in the middle, it's going to creep all the way through and create a sheet of trailing yellow that's going to make that purple pop all summer long. So instead of it coming up one side or another side, it's going to go blanket it all the way through. Fill in the holes with a little bit of soil. And before we water it in, I want to add a little bit of fertilizer. An organic fertilizer, you can't go overboard. I'm going to add 2 handfuls. Shake it. Make sure that there's no air pockets. And away we go. Well, if I can hang it. Cute, isn't it? I think so. Thanks for watching.